Greetings to you all, ladies and gentlemen. This is Lwandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. There's something I want to point out before we even do anything, you guys. You see, up to this point, we haven't been working on any interesting, if you ask me, any interesting problems. Everything we've been working on is pretty straightforward. It's easy stuff. So you might see this channel as something that is a bit repetitive. That is to say, you might think some of the exercises are a bit repetitive. But what I strongly suggest you do, what I'm asking you to do, is to simply wait and see what will happen when you get onto interesting chapters, because right now there isn't much we can play around with. We haven't learned much, so that's, of course, is going to have an impact on my solution. But once we get onto interesting stuff, once we start working on challenging problems, that's when you will see the value of this tutorial. So again, with that out of the way, now we gotta jump on to what we came here for, which is to simply solve question 2.1, this one right here. In case you haven't read the question itself, you just do so, pause the video, do so, and then get back to me, because right now we're giving a solution. So let's see what student C decided to do. Okay, student C knows the importance of having descriptive variables. Okay, that's pretty much it with student C. So what we are going to have right here is we simply going to have a command which will tell us, which will simply say create a scanner to read user input, and we simply do so. Again, you can put anything here, you guys. It's just that I like putting something descriptive. I'll just go reader. Let's go to new scanner. System.out.print. No, I mean system.in. You simply import a scanner. Make sure you close a scanner. Okay, and then we declare and read the length and the height, the length and the radius, So we do so simply by going radius, a descriptive name, not just radius, and then you simply call reader, dot next double, we do one and the same thing for length, not just len, but length rather. Oh, look at this, you guys. We haven't yet prompted the user to enter the input. Prompt a user to enter radius and the length. So we simply go system.out.print. Let's see how they put it. It's after the radius and the length of a cylinder, we can simply copy and paste this. Of a cylinder. Okay, with this out of the way, we simply go double. We simply go double area equals to. We also can do the math.pow. We put radius and we put a 2 here. This simply says radius squared, or radius to the exponent of 2 rather. Multiply that by math.pi. Okay, that's pretty much it for radius. For area, now we gotta work with the volume. Volume will simply be area multiplied by, look at this, you guys, we've got something like this, let's just do it. Let's do it the simple way. Area dot multiply by what length. That's all. Okay. Now simply display the output. System.out.println. Simply copy and paste or they simply saying, oh, actually we're not gonna be using println, we'll be using printf. So we have printf, the length is the very first one has 4 numbers after a decimal point. So let's just go. We've been talking about printf for quite some time now, from chapter 1, and if you haven't watched my videos on chapter 1, I strongly suggest we do, because right now I am not going to explain the printf function, how it works, and if you think you do need some clarification, I strongly suggest you do a little bit of research. So I'm just gonna go percentage and 3 digits before a comma, and before a decimal point, and simply go 4 digits after a decimal point, and then F it simply specifies our format. In our case, it's a floating point number. So we're simply going to say area. Then go system. We gotta go to the next line. Once we do that, we just go \n because we wanna go to the next line. This area right here is gonna replace this whole thing, and then immediately after that we go to the next line. So let's just go system.out. Why can I type system.out.printf? Let's put volume here. Volume. Why can I type? The volume is let me look at this. The volume is simply put a percentage sign. Let's put a number such as, we can go 5, this will also work, and then 2 after a decimal point, and then put a format specifier. This is pretty much it, you guys. Let's see what we get. Oops, 5.5 and 12. Copy that, then we paste it here. Oh, should have said 1 here instead of 2. Only one number after a decimal point. Let's rerun it. See, we're good, you guys. But just because I only decided to put what they gave us here on the sample run, that doesn't necessarily mean you should only try one input. Try to play around with this. Try to put different numbers and see what you get. That's pretty much it, you guys. See you on the next tutorial, which is exercise 2.2. Which is exercise 2.3. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.